EEL 12V battery box. Put on epoxy boards. Put on your battery cells in order. Put the insulation covers on the bus bars. Connect the battery cells. Fasten with M6 flange nuts. Torque less than 6 Nm. Stick the EVA tapes on the bracket. Fasten with M4 screws. Fasten the PCB board with M3 screws. We use JK BMS. Fasten the BMS with M3 screws. Fasten the collection cables with M3 screws. Connecting the BMS. Battery switch. Fasten the switch on the front panel. Fasten the front panel with M4 screws. Fasten the terminals with M4 screws. .250 ACNL fuse. Connect the fuse to P+ with M8 screws. Connect the BMS to P. Connect the switch to BMS. Connect the PCB board to BMS. Fasten the top panel with M4 screws. Press the switch to turn on the battery. Turn on the JK BMS app. Press the switch for 5 seconds to turn it off. Thanks for watching.